This takes sort of 1 to 3 weeks, depending upon the product, the drug, the clinical work, but it's very, very accelerated. Now, 1 to 3 weeks, those of you who are involved in running first-in-human studies, that's a fairly normal dose escalation timeline, right? But within it, we have the ability to adapt this drug product manufacture. That carries certain benefits. Now, this is a case study of a program of work we got involved in. It's a fairly normal first-in-human study. It's not very heavily augmented. We have a single ascending dose study, we have a multiple ascending dose component and a food effect. This drug, not pharmaceutically challenging, no major solubility challenges that we need to consider. The concern here is we have a low starting dose of just 1 milligram. Can't weigh 1 milligram into a capsule manually without any real issues on dose variability. So in this case, they wanted us to develop a blending capsule formulation to be able to support uniformity of dosage unit and also provide a bit of carrier to get the drug out of the capsule when the capsule shell breaks and breaches. Fine. Actually, the way we got into this program is we received a request for proposal to manufacture the drug product for this study. And this was the request for proposal we received. Develop as a blending capsule formulation made by automatic capsule filling, 3 dose strengths, 1, 10 and 50 milligrams plus placebo.